Hi there guys, Johnny Rose here. Now hopefully you know the story of King Midas. King Midas was a famous mythical king from Greek mythology who had this incredible power where everything he touched turned to gold. Now if you do know the story of King Midas, you know it didn't end very well for him, but that power, that ability to turn everything into gold is an incredible one, and particularly so online. Because if you think about making money online, when you think about internet marketing, there are so many different strategies and ideas and myths out there that wouldn't it just be great if someone could just give you that power that anything you did online, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you have your own business, whether you're doing CPA marketing or e-commerce, anything that you touched turned to gold and would be guaranteed to do so. That's why I'm really excited to tell you about Midas Touch, because inside Midas Touch, you're going to get a guaranteed blueprint that's going to enable you to pull in every single day without fail, easily and simply 100, 200, 300, in some cases $1,000 or more a day with an incredible method which has been put together not by me, but by two guys, Saurabh Gopal and Bill Ang. These two little geniuses have been quietly working and beavering away, trying to work out what's a method that anyone can use that can bring in, like I said, 100, 200, 300, all the way to 1K simply and easily and crucially without spending any money themselves. That's what these guys have been working on, and they showed me this method. And in all my time in internet marketing, I've been at this now for nearly 13 years. I'd never seen anything like this. It's genius. And like I said, you won't need to be spending any extra money on it. You won't need an email list. You won't need to be using social media. You don't need to show your face. Frankly, as these guys are proving, you don't even need to have English as a first language to succeed with this method. It really blew my mind when I saw it, when I saw how easy it is and how anyone could use this Midas Touch blueprint. These guys really are turning anything they touch online into gold. It's incredible. So if you're looking for a system that is easy to use, that is repeatable, which doesn't require any investment, doesn't require an email list, doesn't require social media or your own website or any paid ad investment or anything like that, if you're someone who can follow a very simple, repeatable method, who just needs to watch, listen and execute, if you're someone who only has an hour and can just sit down and learn and deploy this method, then Midas Touch is for you. And really everything you touch in 2021 will turn to gold. If that sounds interesting to you, if you want to see how Bill and Saurabh are able to pull in 100, 200, $300, $1,000 a day like that, just simply like King Midas, just touching everything and it turning into gold, then pick up Midas Touch now.